All right, so we're starting off with 2 packages of peanut butter cookie dough. Oh my goodness, this is the best cookie dough you can buy. It's better than homemade, and it's so easy to make. But we're not just making cookies today. We are making something way more delicious. Oh my goodness, we're smushing this down so that we get a nice layer that's not too big in our greased 13 by 9. Okay, that looks good enough. It doesn't need to be perfect. Next, I'm gonna come in with some milk chocolate Hershey's. We're just gonna slide that right out, and we're gonna place that right on top of our peanut butter cookies. Super quick. We have a few of these Hershey bars that we're gonna place on our cookie dough, and this is gonna be delicious. If you love chocolate and peanut butter, this is the dessert for you. Now, just when you thought there was enough peanut butter, we're gonna grab our creamy peanut butter that I melted in the microwave, and we're gonna drizzle this right on top. Oh my, doesn't that look amazing?
Whoa, it's so velvety smooth.
Yeah.
Cool.
Now, I wouldn't recommend chunky for this because the creamy just really covers everything and makes it phenomenal.
Smells delicious.
Now I'm gonna come in with some graham crackers, and we're gonna quickly place graham crackers right on top of where we put those chocolate bars. It doesn't need to be perfect. We might even be able to fit a few extras in there because I love a nice crunch in my dessert, a nice contrast. We'll go ahead and cut these and put them right here so that we fill up the whole pan. I think we can do one more right in that corner. Just a perfect cut. Look at that.
So cute.
Okay, we're almost done here. So we have our chocolate, we have our graham crackers. We're gonna go for like a little s'more thing. So I have some marshmallow cream. Oh yeah, now you can use actual marshmallows, but I think this cream is just so good. And I put this in the microwave for like 30 seconds just so it would be more flexible, but it's not necessary.
I mean, it's working well.
Yeah, just get some nice fluff in there, nice layer. We want to make sure to cover up all those graham crackers with the fluff. I do have a spatula. I probably should have been using that to get this all nice and out of our jar. Okay, now we're gonna just nice and easy spread that marshmallow fluff to the best of our ability. It's probably not gonna be perfect because this marshmallow is sticky. But now we have all the components to a winning dessert. I love to bring this to like a baking championship. It wins every year. It's like the Halloween Thanksgiving baking championship, and I bring this and it is a hit. I mean, what's not to love? Cookie dough, yummy. Chocolate, yummy. Peanut butter, yummy. Graham crackers, yummy. Marshmallow, yummy. Right, babe? Okay, that looks good enough. Now I have here some chocolate chip cookie dough, the Pillsbury, and we're gonna just go ahead and get chunks of this, and we're gonna place it all around on top of our marshmallow fluff to kind of just create like a whole component of a dish. You could use sugar cookie if you like, or more peanut butter cookie dough, but I wanted the chocolate chip. I love chocolate chip. And just look at those little like nuggets of deliciousness. Oh my, okay, this is coming out perfect.
Wait, so when you cook this, is the marshmallow gonna disintegrate? Or
No, that's why I use the fluff. Like you could use the actual marshmallows, but the fluff it stays together a little bit better. And since it's gonna be in the middle and not on the top, it's not gonna disintegrate.
Interesting.
Okay, but we're gonna get as much cookie dough as we can on here because we want to bring the sweets. And then we have one more thing, and then this is ready for the oven. Doesn't that look amazing though?
Yeah, it looks phenomenal. So when that bakes, the cookie's probably gonna spread out a little bit, and then the cookies underneath are gonna be perfect.
Yes, exactly. Okay, last but not least, and this is totally optional, I'm gonna grab some Reese's Pieces because that's just gonna tie on all those peanut butter flavors, and it's gonna add a nice pop of color that just will make people love it 10 times more. Oh my goodness. And you just need one of these $1 packs and you get the perfect pop of color and delicious chocolate peanut butter-ness. Okay, you guys, our peanut butter s'more cookie bars are ready for the oven. My oven is set to 350 and this is gonna cook for 30 minutes. Do you guys see this? That looks better than the last time I made it. Oh my. Yeah, I nailed this.
This is what won the competition.
Yeah. Okay, let's cut into it.
I see why.
Oh my goodness. Get right to that peanut butter. Oh, the chocolate. Remember the chocolate bars we put in there?
You're cutting right through it.
Okay, time to serve this up. Oh,
wow.
Yeah, baby.
That
is gonna be so good. The peanut butter cookies are cooked perfect. Do you see that right here? You can see the peanut butter cookie right there. Cooked perfect.
That was awesome.
Oh my gosh. Oh, it smells like heaven. Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah. This is gonna be my death row meal.
What?
You know, death row, your last meal.
Yeah, why was this your last meal?
Cause it's that good, babe. We won the baking championship.
Is it good? Is it for the gold?